Children, today we learn about the Song of India. The Song of India, uh, she asked her mother that they can sing for her. Mother is asking children to sing a song. They the children questioned their mother that what type of song we should sing for you. They explained that they wanted to sing about the Himalayas, or the snow, or bounded peaks, or the three great oceans, such as Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, or Indian Ocean. So children are asking to the mother that what kind of song you want, whether you want to sing about Himalaya, or a ocean, or a snow which is caught by the Himalaya, or three oceans like Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, or Indian Ocean. For this, the mother said, in the calm voice, the mother said very calmly, she wanted the song of beggar, leper, or any untoned people. So she is asking a song which is neglected people, poor people, regarding that they are asking. Or in the crowd of the street, in the street where the fully it's crowded by people, regarding that you sing. Impure or a dirty place or any secured places, so regarding that you sing. Dirty people are a very poor people, impure places. The son or the daughter, the poet, ignores their mother, requested and again asked about the topic of the song. So the mother asked to sing like this. The children neglected a mother. So mother is asking this kind of area song. So how can we sing that regarding a very poor, dirty beggar? So children neglected a mother. So after that again the children are asking to the mother, so what kind of song you want? So next they continues their talk asking about the song of rock. Next rocking are cut temples, epics in the stone, or a sacrifice of children and our own children or the inspired person. Famous prophets or the great personalities to make a great task of any and the worthy pilgrimages. Hearing to the songs, the daughter or the son, so they said, mother get upset and angrily she asked to sing about millions of people who toiled and kept their life to great cause. The experienced old people or ignorant people or helpless children who were very sick or dwelt in the dark place. So again the mother is asking to the children, you sing a song, neglected people. Are the people those who done a great work in their life, that one. Or helpless people, regarding that you sing. Are millions of people, they've ignored. They've done a great work, the people were not recognized. So find out that one you sing, regarding that. Or pilgrimage centers, regarding that you sing. Or cut temples, caves, regarding caves you sing. So next these words make the author, that his heartbeat increased, and the word heard of songs of bell, and make him too emotional. So when she was telling that, the temple bells rang, and listening to the bell sound, that mother was emotional. This situation is like a great white bird flew in a pitiful manner. See, looking at the sky, when you see the sky, when the beautiful bird which is singing on the sky, it looks very beautiful. So like that it is. She became very nervous and asked about the topic of the poem. So again, the mother is asking the topic of the poem, even though he was afraid to question her, but believed in his work. Again, he requested her what type of song she liked, whether he can sing about the dams or lakes or any kind of steel mills or industry or a factory or a shipbuilding yard or a like Vishakhapatnam or any other great technologies or any great recognized event that any atomic incidents etc. So again the children they're asking their mother that what kind of song you want. Again they're asking regarding a dam or a lake or any mill which is built in the cities, steel mills like Vishakhapatnam shipyard regarding that, or any kind of atomic events, that one. For this, mother rejected and said, "You may sing on three topics, but you can sing about early and important strikes." So again, the mother is asking to the children, you leave it that all the topics regarding dams or lakes or buildings or a shipyard or a great atomic incident, that they all leave it. But you sing regarding these three topics, that is, one is important strikes which takes place in the early. Second one, brave men, those sacrifice their life for the independence. That one is saying regarding that. Or any their goals. What are the goals which they have in their freedom struggle? Their achievements regarding that is saying. Or any classes wars and their consequences. Why the war takes places. So after the war, what are the result takes place? What are the consequences that regarding that is saying. The poet complained, and it is a humble condition. She questioned that they could not sing for her so wholeheartedly, and it is a pure love. She sang for her. The song was both in the stainless blue, that means it is very touching, and appear into the nothingness. See, when the mother is asking question, when the mother is asking a song, the children's they were giving a different topics, but the mother likes only the important events which takes place. Regarding finally, she said, "You sing a song regarding a strikes which takes place, or a brave people who are sacrificed their life in the nation, and their goals, their achievements, or any kind of the consequences of the wars, the war causes and the consequences regarding that you sing." So anyway, the mother wanted to give emotional to the children.